time for a water break?
No, it's time for deja vu.
Deja vu.
You want some water? You want some water?
I feel like I know this topic.
Yeah. I feel like
One idea. 2 guys. 2 minutes. Deja vu. One idea. 2 guys. 2 minutes. Deja vu. One eye?
But we've all had it, right? Okay, so how many deja vu jokes are we going to be able to make in 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
Okay,
that's
well,
right.
go.
I don't
You
know.
start.
Okay, so I thought I'd make a deja vu joke.
Okay,
yeah,
fantastic.
there we go.
You want to make a deja vu joke? See, oh,
No,
God,
it's
okay,
not
all
good.
right.
All right. But actually, we've all had the experience, right, of suddenly walking into a place and it feels like you've been there before, even though deep down you know you haven't.
And what's that about? Because I know that we've done this before.
That's right.
I'm not counting the 6 takes that we did before. We're doing this one. I know that we've done this before.
Yeah.
So how is my brain thinking mistakenly that I've been here when I know I haven't been here?
Yeah. Well, the fact is, right, we keep track of what happens to us, but we also keep track of where it happens to us. And when we keep track of where it happens to us, we hold on to that. So that's what helps us remember later. You know, if I say to you, hey, remember that time that we were in the studio doing this stuff?
Yeah.
And you say, oh, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
And so we link up situations to actions. And then sometimes that mechanism misfires.
Yeah.
And so now we believe that we've seen something
And
before. In fact, we really haven't.
No, we really haven't seen it. And isn't that something, because it really illustrates how memories are not one thing, right? There are different parts of memory, and those parts are stored in different parts of our brain, and every time we recall something, we're actually reconstructing all those parts.
That's right.
And when that misfires, we feel like we've been there before.
Yeah.
Like now.
And it's an incredibly powerful experience.
It is
Like
a powerful
now.
experience. like now.
Wait a second,
Hi, guys.
I'm sure this...
You've seen this before?